ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dime Breed Barbecue back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking leg quarters. These are just some chicken leg quarters. I'm going to get these trimmed up, show you how we cook those. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's get into cooking some leg quarters out here on the grill. All right, so there isn't a lot to do to these, but I do like to kind of clean them up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and get into that. First thing I like to do is there's normally a little knuckle, just kind of looks nasty right here. We're gonna go ahead and lop that off. And then basically there's some extra fat and some skin here that we're gonna try to clean up. You don't gotta be fancy with it. I mean, basically we're just trying to get the skin lopped off a little bit. You can see this one's got a little bit of extra hanging off. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to get most of that. Some of this extra fat, try to clean that up just a little bit. Like I said, you don't have to get real dirty with them, but I do like to kind of square them up, get them a little cleaned up a little bit before we get them out there on the smoker. Let's get into this other one. Lop off that knuckle. Come in here, we've got that extra skin. And we've got a little extra meat here that's just gonna burn, so we're gonna get that taken off. Some of this fat. Finishing up here on the last one. Again, we just want to kind of square it up. You can see how this one's got a little skin that's kind of hanging off there. Not necessary, but I like to have it cleaned up just so it makes for a better cook, you know? There we got them. Got those leg quarters all cleaned up, kind of squared up. Got most of the fat off the bottom of them. There's not really anything else to do to these, except what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take and pat dry this skin. In order to get that crispy skin out there on the grill, you're gonna want that skin to be dry. And then I'm just gonna take and throw them on a sheet pan. Got them laid out on our sheet pan. Just dry them off a little bit, give them some room to breathe. And then we're gonna take these inside, throw them in the fridge for maybe an hour. Just let that skin get dry. And then we'll come back, get those things seasoned up. All right, so we've had this chicken in there drying in the fridge. It's been about an hour, maybe 2 hours. That skin's real tacky now, and that's what we're looking for. You want that skin to be super dry so that it, gets crispy whenever it's out there on the grill. Now we're gonna come in and I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of cooking spray. This is just gonna help that skin kind of crisp up while it's out there. Just another level to try to get that crispy skin. So then we're gonna go ahead and flip them all over here. We're gonna do meat side first on the seasonings. So I'm gonna be coming in with the Heath Raws garlic jalapeno. This rub is amazing on just about anything. I absolutely love it on chicken though. So we're gonna give them a heavy dose here. And then we're gonna come back with this honey chipotle by Ash Kickin' Barbecue. This rub is great. It adds a little sweet. It's got a little heat, but it puts a great color on your meat. So we're gonna come in and hit it with that. Pat that in a little bit. Make sure we get it all covered. Like I said, this rub gives a really nice color. And it's also delicious. We're gonna go ahead and flip these back over. Same thing. We're gonna come in with the garlic jalapeno from Heath Raws. Then we're gonna come back with the honey chipotle. Pat that in. Now I already have these on a cooking grate. So we're just gonna go ahead and let this rub kind of sweat in a little bit. I've already got my grill fired up. We're running at 350 degrees today. You need to cook at least above 300 on chicken if you want to get that crispy skin. You could smoke them at 250 if you want to, but you're not ever going to get that crispy bite through skin that you're looking for. That skin's always going to be tough if you cook at low temperatures with chicken. There's just way too much fat in there to get that skin to render down and get crispy. So we're going to let that grill get heated up, 350 degrees. Let these babies sweat out, and I'll bring you back. All right, so the grill's fired up, 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and get this chicken thrown on here. I like cooking on a grate because it just makes it easier for moving them around. If you've got hot spots on your grill, you can just reach in real quick and move this grill around, or move this grate around to get an even cook on your chicken. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss this in here. We'll let that thing go. We're looking for 185 to 190 on these leg quarters. This is dark meat, so you can take it up. I know chicken's done at 165, but this is dark meat. There's enough fat in there. We can take these things up to 190 easy. So we're just gonna let them rock and roll. Come back in a minute and check on, see how they're going. All right, so that chicken's been on there for about 30 minutes. We're getting a real nice color here on the skin. It's not quite done yet. Like I said, this is probably going to be a 45-minute cook, but I just want to let you kind of see. We're getting some real nice crispy bark on that skin. It's looking real good. We're going to let this thing rock and roll for a little bit longer. All right, so that chicken's been on there for about 45 minutes. See, we've got some real nice color on the skin. We're going to go ahead and check the temp on it, kind of see where we're sitting. 192, 193. Like I said, that's going to be okay on these leg quarters. There's enough fat in there that it's not going to matter. So we're going to go ahead and pull these things off, let them rest for a little bit, and I'll bring you back. So that chicken's cooled off now a little bit. We cooked this thing at 350 degrees. It went about 45 minutes. You can see the juices just pouring out on the board here. This is juicy chicken. It's got a crispy skin. We've got real nice color from those rubs that we used. Everything about this just looks amazing. I'm gonna just get in here and cut it up. So what's great about leg quarters is you can feed a lot of people with these for not a lot of money because you've got the leg and then you've also got the thigh. So I'm gonna just go in here and take a little bite of this leg here. It's probably gonna burn my mouth, but you know, we gotta do it. Super juicy, super flavorful. You get the flavor from that garlic jalapeno rub. You also get the flavor from that ash kicking rub. It's got a little chipotle hit on the back end. This chicken is juicy and it's absolutely delicious. If you're cooking on a budget and you need to feed a bunch of people, leg quarters is the way to go. If you like what you see here, I've got other social media channels. You can check me out there. Dime Breed Barbecue on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Hey, we just cooked up leg quarters out here on the grill. Thanks for watching.